Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class. So up to now we have studied completely about what beta alcohols, preparations, so properties, so structures, so uses, everything we have studied about the alcohols along with so many objective topics nana. Okay na? Right. So try to make them practice beta. Don't neglect. Good. So next topic from that chapter is a very important topic. This is nothing but phenols. Right. So from today onwards, we are going to be discuss about the phenol nomenclature, structure, preparations, and properties. Okay, now right now. So let me explain about the phenols first of all. Phenol का structure क्या हो सकता? Benzene bonded to OH. Here OH is nothing but which group? Hydroxy group. So hydroxy connected to benzene. Simply we can say that hydroxybenzene. This is the another name of what beta? Phenols. And what are the formulas we can write for phenol? So one is nothing but benzene bonded to OH, and also benzene is nothing but aryl ring, aromatic ring. It is connected to OH, and also we can say C6H5 bond OH. So like this, any one okay na formula we can use beta. Right. The another name of phenol is nothing but carbolic acid. Sir, what is mean by carbolic acid? Why we are saying as a carbolic acid? Carbo means coal, means phenols they are commercially prepared from the what is the source लेना कोल से प्रिपेयर करते कोल का मीनिंग कार्बो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर सेइंग कार्बोलिक एसिड फिर एसिड बोल के क्यों बोल रहे बिकॉज ऑफ फिनोल्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर बिकॉज ऑफ फिनोल इट इज रेडी टू लूज इट्स H plus ion it is ready to donate its H plus proton donors nature is nothing but what acidic nature and it was obtained from carbo is nothing but coal so we are saying this is nothing but what beta carbolic acid so phenols or we can say hydroxybenzene or we can say carbolic acid try to remember this all three names okay right beta along with the three formulas. Okay, next here I want to show you small topic. This is nothing but sources of phenols. Sources of phenols. So what are the respective available sources to get what nana phenol? यहाँ पर मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. So first of all here I am going to consider coal. So coal upon undergo the process is nothing but so it was obtained from carbo coal है ना बेटा. So from that only I am going to be start. Okay. Coal undergo the process is nothing but destructive distillation. Coal upon destructive distillation, nothing but one type of purification. It gives here mainly four products. Ammonical residue and coal tar, like that four products you are going to be get nana. In that here I am going to be consider a main product. The main product is nothing but coal tar. This is a very important product nana. Again that coal tar, it undergo the procedure. The procedure is nothing but fractional distillation. Which procedure beta? Fractional distillation. Distillation okay na in the way of the number of okay na what kind of fractions. Okay, coal tar upon fractional distillation in that purification way again coal tar it gives mainly four products. One is nothing but light oil. One more is nothing but middle oil. Next one is nothing but heavy oil. And last one is nothing but anthracene oil. Okay, and try to remember middle oil. Another name is called carbolic oil. What I told you? Middle oil. Another name is called carbolic oil. Why we are saying middle oil is known as carbolic? Because of from middle oil we will get the what nana phenol. Phenol another name is nothing but carbolic acid. Okay. So from coal tar upon fractional distillation it gives mainly four types of oils: light oil, middle oil, heavy oil and anthracene oil. From that four now I want to separate only what middle oil. Okay na? Right. Middle oil again it undergo the process same thing fractional distillation. Upon fractional distillation middle oil gives the product is nothing but what beta phenols and also we can say crude phenols. Okay, na? So this is the commercial method. So we have to be say that phenol is commercially or industrially business point of view mein aana. So phenol is commercially prepared from the topic is nothing but coal and coal tar by the methods are known as distillation or we can say fractional distillation. Try to be remember. Okay, finally what you got beta crude phenol right. Here I am going to show you carefully. Listen carefully. So first of all here I am going to be consider crude phenol which is coming from the middle oil by mixed method by fractional distillation. Such crude phenol now again it undergo the process is nothing but what beta fractional distillation. Crude phenol upon fractional distillation okay na at three different temperatures with respect to depends on temperature okay na in different fractions we will get the different products na that's why we are saying fractions. At 450 Kelvin fraction what you are getting at the anode temperature is 475 Kelvin एक 5 Kelvin इधर उधर दे सकते gap no problem and another one is nothing but 500 Kelvin. Crude phenol which is coming from the middle oil upon fractional distillation at 450 Kelvin it forms a product. The product is nothing but phenols. This is your original phenol. Next crude phenol upon fractional distillation at the temperature okay now that is nothing but 475 Kelvin okay the Kelvin temperature is nothing but here you are getting with respect to boiling point okay at 475 boiling point here you are getting orthocresol comma metacresol. I will show you the structures don't worry. Metacresol comma paracresol. So like these three types of products you are getting here now. Next crude phenol upon fractional distillation at higher boiling point. Okay, here you are getting the products are nothing but this product you don't know up to now try to remember. So these products are known as xylenols. What we have to say that xylenols or simply we can say that xylols. Okay, you don't know the formula I will give you in nomenclature don't worry about that. Okay na beta right. So phenols and respective phenol products all these are phenol products na सब में common रहता benzene OH here also benzene OH here also benzene OH in all that is common group. This is the group okay na beta. So okay na phenol and respective derivative compounds we can all phenol derivative compounds we can prepare from what nana crude phenol and also we can say from middle oil and also we can say from coal tar and also we can say from coal. So coal upon destructive distillation gives coal tar upon fractional distillation gives middle oil. Middle oil upon distillation gives crude phenol. Crude phenols upon particular temperature at different boiling points, at different fractions, it gives different phenol and phenol derivative products. I hope you understand. So this is the story about the commercial methods of the preparations of phenols and their respective derivatives from the coal and coal tar sources and raw materials. Okay na right nana I will send you through the notes. Good right. Let us go for sir what is mean by phenol. Phenol का preparation क्या बता सकते phenol का definition कैसे बता सकते तुम लोग. The definition of phenols I am going to show you. What is the formula of benzene? Benzene formula is nothing but C6H6 okay na beta. So benzene is nothing but what aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon or simply we can say this is nothing but arene. So from that arenes here I am going to remove the one of the hydrogen. एक हाइड्रोजन को remove कीजिए बेटा. Remove करने के बाद that hydrogen goes to be replaced by OH group. Replacement of OH hydroxy in place of H. Then here you are going to get the product is C6H5. 6 में एक हाइड्रोजन निकाल दिए. One of the hydrogen replaced by OH. So C6H5 bonded to OH. This is nothing but what beta phenol. Okay, here you got the product is nothing but phenol. Phenols are prepared from aromatic hydrocarbon. How you prepared? By the replacement of hydrogen by the respective hydroxy group. Simply we can say that the definition is nothing but hydroxy को replace कर रहे means hydroxy derivatives of which compound? Aromatic hydrocarbons and also we can say that arenes. So in arenes by the replacement of hydrogen by hydroxy means hydroxy derivatives of arenes they are known as what beta phenols. Right. So what is the formula of phenol? Benzene bonded to OH na beta. Okay, here I am going to draw the structure of benzene. How many pi bonds will be there? 3 pi bond common thing, you know very well. And one of the carbon connected to which group? OH group. So in phenols and aryl alcohols, OH group is connected to the carbon. The carbon is nothing but which carbon beta? sp2 carbon. You should be remember. Good. Okay, phenol का definition मैंने बता दिया. How to derive phenols? Okay beta. Next go for classification. Classification. Right? So phenols mainly they are classified into 3 types only on the basis of OH groups, number of OH groups beta. Right, in that first category I am going to show you monohydric phenols. Which phenols? Monohydric phenols. So means, okay now, or we can say these are nothing but the monohydroxybenzene compounds. Okay, let us, I am going to show you the structures. Benzene bonded to what beta? OH. What is the compound name? Phenol. Next, again I am going to draw here benzene, and you suppose benzene connected to OH, but ortho place the group is nothing but CH3. I am going to show you one more structure. Again same thing with a benzene, and you suppose benzene bonded to OH, but now I am going to write one carbon gap CH3. I am going to show you one more structure beta. Same thing, benzene ring connected to OH phenol, but opposite place connected to CH3. Okay na? Chal. Here I am going to show you some important point. Listen carefully. So I hope you may know very well what is meant by ortho, meta, para. But once again I am going to show you beta. Okay na? Right. Good. OH connected to carbon. Which carbon? Benzene carbon. So benzene bonded to OH. This is nothing but phenol. It is also phenol. It is also phenol. Okay. So this is nothing but main carbon. Functional group bonded is first carbon. Yes, we have denoted clearly. Functional group next carbon is functional group bonded carbon is first carbon. Next carbon is ortho. Right side be ortho, left side be ortho. Next again adjacent carbon is, this is nothing but meta, this is also meta. And exactly substitute opposite position, this is nothing but para. So side positions are ortho, next carbon positions are meta, and opposite position is nothing but para. Okay, right. But यहाँ पर side पे है, side का meaning 1,2 that means ortho, 1,3 meta, 1,4 para. Like that try to be remember. Okay, right. And you know very well, benzene bonded to CH3, totally. Benzene bonded to OH, phenol. OH and CH3 at a time. OH and CH3 at a time. If they are present on benzene, we have to be say that it is important compound. We have to be say that this is called cresol. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Cresol. But here they are adjacent to each other, so we have to be say that this is called orthocresol. And यहाँ पर OH and यहाँ पर CH3 एक carbon gap आ गया. This position is nothing but ortho and this position is nothing but meta. So we have to be say that this is nothing but metacresol. All they are having OH CH3 now. So all they are cresols, but this is orthocresol and this is metacresol. Opposite position is called para. So simply we have to be say that this is called paracresol. So phenols and cresols, they are having only one OH group. So they are nothing but what beta? Monohydric phenols. Okay na? Good. Let us go for second classification. This is nothing but dihydric phenols. Dihydric phenols. Dihydric phenol, actually phenol ka meaning benzene bonded to OH. But here dihydric means how many OH groups are there? 2 OH. So simply we have to be say that dihydric phenols are known as, we have to be say that dihydroxy benzenes. Benzene के ऊपर 2 OH रहना पड़ेगा. That's why we are saying dihydroxy. Okay, let us see the structures. Structure of benzene. Benzene bonded to OH. Ortho place OH. Side side. Next, let us go for another benzene ring. benzene bonded to OH, meta place OH. Okay, but upon three positions. Next, go for another example. Benzene bonded to OH, opposite place OH, means two OH, they are opposite to each other. Two OH adjacent to each other. 1-2 position is ortho, 1-3 position is meta, 1-4 positions are para. Right, Nana? So 2 OH, they are present upon side. These three compounds, they are having very special names. I hope maybe up to now you don't know. Try to be remember must and should better. Good. Benzene contain 2 OH which are adjacent to each other. Its compound name is called catechol. What beta? Catechol. Nothing but 2 OH groups are present upon the benzene. They should be present upon the adjacent carbons, upon first carbon and second carbon. Upon first carbon and third carbon, this is called resorcinol. 1,3 ओके ना, प्लेस में OH रहना पड़ेगा. And 1,4 OH, its name is called quinol. Once again listen carefully. Catechol, resorcinol, quinol. IUPAC names: benzene 1,2 diol, benzene 1,3 diol, benzene 1,4 diol. Okay. So 1,2 catechol, 1,3 resorcinol, and 1,4 quinol, and also we can say another name is hydroxyquinone. Okay. Listen, so last one, 1,4, benzene 1,4 diol, its common name is called quinol, and also we can say that hydroxyquinone. H को remove करो, looking like keto group. H को remove करो, looking like keto group. Which keto? Quinone. Okay na? Once again, so catechol, resorcinol, quinol. Quinol, another name is hydroxyquinone. Try to be remember. Okay. So here all they are having 2 OH groups. So we can say these are nothing but the dihydric phenols. In above category phenols and cresols, they are having only 1 OH group. So this is nothing but monohydric phenol. But total classification, how many types I told you? 3 types. Number 1, monohydric phenols. Number 2, dihydric phenols. Number 3, trihydric phenols. Okay. I am going to show you here trihydric phenols. Trihydric phenols, beta. Right. What is mean by trihydric phenols? They are having 3 OH groups upon benzene ring. So simply we can say these are nothing but the trihydroxybenzenes. What we can say, beta? Trihydroxybenzenes. Right, I am going to show the structures. Again here also I am going to give you 3 structures evergreen. यहाँ पर भी 3 cresol, catechol, resorcinol, quinol 3. यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 3. evergreen important. एक member भी ओके ना neglect नहीं करना बेटा. You should be perfect. Trihydric phenols. Example. Yes, I am going to consider first of all what is a ring, benzene ring. You suppose connected to OH. Again second place connected to OH. Again third place also connected to OH. I will give the name. Next another ring I am going to show you. Again same thing, nana, benzene ring connected to OH. Here 3 OH adjacent to each other. Now give some 1 carbon gap, nana, alternate position. Again 1 carbon gap OH. Next 1 carbon gap OH. This is second molecule. I am going to show you another molecule. Same thing. Structure of what, nana, phenol, benzene bonded to OH. Second place connected to OH, give 1 carbon gap, again opposite place is OH. So these are the 3 examples of trihydric phenol, 3 OH2, 3 OH2, 3 OH. Let me explain about the IUPAC name first of all. Benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Yes or no? Benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. Benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. IUPAC names you can write easily, but you have to be remember the common names. Common name को remember करना पड़ेगा. Right. Benzene connected to 3 OH group. Its compound name is called pyrogallol. Once again, pyrogallol. Good. Benzene bonded to 3OH, they are in adjacent position, so its compound common name is called what beta? Pyrogallol. Right. Again, benzene contains 3 OH groups. They are in alternate position. So try to remember the name. So its compound common name is called fluoroglucinol. Fluoroglucinol, not fluoroglucinol. Okay, na beta? Right. Last one is nothing but, listen guys, benzene connected to 2OH opposite. Benzene connected to 2OH opposite. What is the name? Phenol. Here also same thing, 2OH opposite phenol. But phenol side place, what is the group is there? Hydroxy. So we have to say hydroxyphenol. Phenol means 2OH opposite, 2OH opposite phenol, okay. But what is the group? Hydroxy, hydroxyquinol. Good. So pyrogallol, fluoroglucinol and hydroxyphenol. These are the 3 examples of what, Nana? Trihydric phenols. Your classification is also clearly completed. Once again, Nana, try to remember the cresol structures and try to remember the catechol, resorcinol, quinol. Try to pronounce at a time, then only it will be remembered. Okay ना? जब भी तुम्हारा माइंड में फिट हो सकता है. केटिकोल, रिसासिनोल, क्विनोल. आर्थोआइसोमर, मेटा आइसोमर, पैरा आइसोमर. Next, pyrogallol, fluoroglucinol, and one more is nothing but hydroxybenzene. Right. So we have successfully completed the classification of phenols. Let us go for nomenclature of the phenols. Right. So we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of phenols. Nomenclature of phenols. Right, beta? Yeah. So in column 1, I am going to, okay, now consider here first of all molecules, or we can say compounds. In middle column, we are going to write the what beta? Common names. And in last column, right side, we are going to write the IUPAC names. IUPAC names. Molecules, common name, and what nana? IUPAC name. So we are going to discuss one by one. Okay, first of all, molecule or compound. So the compound is benzene bonded to OH. Benzene bonded to OH is for this, okay now, benzene bonded to OH, common name and IUPAC name, both we can pronounce in same way, that is nothing but phenol, and also we have to say that phenol. Right, next one Nana, again I am going to draw the structure of phenol, that means what Nana, benzene bonded to OH. But you suppose ortho place connected to, what is the group Nana? CH3. Ortho place connected to CH3. Right. So this is nothing but, already I told you what is the name of this compound, orthocresol. Right. So orthocresol, shall we write the IUPAC name? We will write later. First of all, I want to consider another two, metacresol and paracresol. Right, Nana. What is the structure? Benzene bonded to OH. So this is nothing but which cresol? यहाँ पर meta place में क्या लिखना बेटा? CH3. So its compound common name is nothing but metacresol. Next structure. Again draw the structure of benzene Benzene connected to the group is nothing but OH phenol, but opposite place para place connected to CH3. So its compound common name is nothing but what, Nana? Paracresol. Orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. Side 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. 1 comma 2 ortho, 1 comma 3 meta, 1 comma 4 para. Ortho, meta, para. Such letters and such words we have to be used only in writing of what, Nana? Common names. Good. IUPAC name you can write easily. This is phenol. So main functional group, main functional group, main functional group. OH bonded is 1. Yeah, OH connected next carbon is what? Ortho position. And this is number 2, and this is number 3, and this is number 4. Okay, na beta? Second place connected to side chain, methyl. 2 methyl, remaining is what, beta? Phenol. So IUPAC name of orthocresol is 2 methyl phenol. Okay, beta? And IUPAC name of metacresol is 3 connected to methyl. So we have to be say that now 3 methyl phenol. Next here, fourth place connected to CH3, 4 methyl phenol. So paracresol IUPAC name is 4 methyl cresol. समझे बेटा? Right. So 2 methyl phenol, 3 methyl phenol, 4 methyl phenol. Like that we have to be right. Sorry here. 4 methyl phenol. Ready na? Right. Next another compound I am going to give you from dihydric category. Benzene bonded to OH. Ortho place OH. What is the name? Catechol. Dihydroxybenzene ortho place catechol. IUPAC name we will write it a time. Next Nana. Again same thing. What is the compound? Benzene. It connected to the group is nothing but OH. Meta place connected to OH. Next go for another compound. What I am going to write here? Benzene. Here I am going to write OH. Opposite place also I am going to be write OH. Okay na? Right. So 2 OH side. This is called catechol. 2 OH, 1 carbon gap. This is nothing but what? Risarcinol. 2 OH opposite to each other. This is called quinol. And also we can say hydroxyquinone. I told you. Good. So shall we write IUPAC name beta? Catechol, risarcinol, quinol. Okay. Catechol ka IUPAC name. Benzene, 1 position ol, 2 position ol. So 1 comma 2 diol. So what is the IUPAC name of catechol? Catechol mein kya hai beta? Benzene ring is there, and in that benzene ring 2 OH groups they are present upon 1 and 2 positions. So benzene 1 comma 2 diol. Next यहाँ पर 1 comma 3 position, यहाँ पर 1 comma 4 position. So risarcinol IUPAC name is benzene 1 position and 3 position. 1 comma 3 diol. Next one 1 position and 4th position. So we have to be say that benzene 1 comma 4 diol. Okay beta, this is the story about the monohydric, okay na, and dihydric, okay na. Yes, monohydric phenols and dihydric phenols, their common names and what na IUPAC names. Let us go for nomenclature for trihydric phenols. Yes, I am going to consider benzene ring, and you suppose connected to OH, again second place OH, again third place OH. Come on, say, already I told you in trihydric category, what is the name of this compound? So common name of this compound is pyrogalol. IUPAC name benzene, 1 ol, 2 ol, 3 ol. So simply we can say triol. So the IUPAC name is benzene 1 comma 2 comma 3. 3 positions are connected to 3 ol. Simply we have to be say that triol. Benzene 1 2 3 1 comma 2 comma 3 triol. This is the IUPAC name. Let us consider another trihydric example. Again here I am going to be consider benzene. It connected to 3 OH groups, and you suppose they are in alternate positions. 1 2 3. Okay. What is the name of this compound? Already I told you. Chloroglucinol. Chloroglucinol. Right. Let us have first of all what is the IUPAC name? Benzene. 1 place, and this is the 3rd place, and this is the 5th place. Benzene 1 comma 3 comma 5 triol. So the IUPAC name is nothing but benzene 1 comma 3 comma 5 triol. Benzene 135 triol. This is the IUPAC name. And common name is what, Nana? Chloroglucinol. Right. Next, go for another example. Again, I am going to consider the structure of what beta of phenol. Benzene bonded to OH. Ortho place connected to OH. And also para place connected to OH. Benzene 2OH opposite quinol. This is also quinol. But side में क्या है? Hydroxy. So the common name of this compound is called hydroxyquinol. Hydroxyquinol. IUPAC name 1, 2, and this is third place, and this is fourth place. 1, 2, 4. Present upon which positions? Benzene. Okay. IUPAC name beta benzene. OH positions presents upon 1, 2, 4. So benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. Benzene 1, 2, 4 triol. Next then I am going to show you another example. Benzene connected to OH. Again side place connected to CH3. Benzene, OH and CH3 looking like cresol. Yes or no? But I am going to change here. Again next carbon connected to CH3. Listen guys carefully. Sun rahe na? Benzene contains CH3. Only one CH3. Toluene. Benzene contains 2 CH3. This is called xylene. Okay. Benzene connected to 1 CH3 toluene. Benzene contains 2 CH3 xylene. 1 CH3 toluene. 2 CH3 is xylene. Xylene connected to OH. OH mean what? Ol. So simply we have to be say that its compound common name is called CH3 present on benzene. This is called xylene. Xylene connected to OH. Nothing but xylenol. I hope you understand. Good. IUPAC name easy लिख सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3. Okay now. What is the side chains? 2 side chains are there. Methyl. Position what? 2, 3. So 2 side chains. 2, 3 dimethyl. Side chains are covered. Remaining is benzene bonded to OH. So simply we can say what beta? Phenol. IUPAC we can write nana. Try to remember the common name. Good. Next compound I am going to show you. Benzene bonded to OH. Ortho place Br. Ortho place Br. Right. What is the name? Ortho place. What is the group is there? Br is there. So we have to say that common name is orthobromo. And remaining is nothing but phenol. Okay. Right, Nana. Right. IUPAC name. This is 1 and this is 2. 2 place side chain bromo. 2 bromo. Side chain covered. Remaining is what, Nana? Phenol. So we have to be say that 2 bromo phenol. 2 bromo phenol. Right. Next go for another example. Benzene connected to what is the group, Nana? OH. What is the group? OH. And here side place में here I am going to write this is nothing but COOH. Benzene connected to OH group and benzene connected to COOH group. Ready, Nana? Right. So this is looking like benzoic acid. Benzene bonded to COOH, benzoic acid. But ortho place what is the group is there? Hydroxy group is there. So we have to be say that ortho hydroxy remaining is nothing but benzoic acid. Okay, sir तुम अब तक phenol बोल रहे हैं, यहाँ पर acid बोल रहे हैं. Reason is nothing but as compared to OH, COOH is nothing but more priority functional group. अपन यहाँ पर acid को ही importance देना पड़ेगा, not to alcoholic OH group ना. Good. So ortho hydroxy benzoic acid. This is your common name. Ortho hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay beta, right. Yeah, here let me explain about the IUPAC name. So this is nothing but benzoic acid, वो तो fix हो गए, and this is nothing but first place. Now okay, now it becomes second place because of COOH is main priority functional group. So यहाँ पर 1 बोल के बताना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पर 2 बोल के बताना पड़ेगा. Second place connected to what? Hydroxy. So we have to be say that 2 hydroxy. Second place connected to OH. 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. This is your IUPAC name. 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. What beta? 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. And also we can write another IUPAC name. This is called very important name, salicylic acid. Try to remember beta. Benzene bonded to what is the group? OH and COOH. So benzene connected to COOH. This is called benzoic acid. But second place में hydroxy group is there. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. And also we can say another name is called salicylic acid. Must and should try to be remembered. Another 2 examples. Let us see, Nana. Right. Again, I am going to consider the structure of benzene. Benzene connected to the group is nothing but OH. And ortho place you suppose it connected to CHO. Again, same thing. So here, as compared to OH, CHO is main priority functional group. That means we have to be say that benzaldehyde, but don't say phenol. Now this is benzaldehyde, but at ortho place, what is the group is there? OH's group is there. So the common name is nothing but orthohydroxy. Remaining is nothing but benzaldehyde. Orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Okay, good. Yeah, let us see first of all what is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, the compound is here benzaldehyde, but okay now, so CHO group connected is 1 and next carbon is nothing but what on a second carbon. At second place, what is the group is there? Hydroxy. So the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Its another IUPAC name is salicylaldehyde. Try to be focused. Salicylaldehyde. 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. This is a salicylaldehyde, and 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. This is called salicylic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, salicylic acid, 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde, and you have to say that salicylaldehyde. Last one, final IUPAC name. Here I am going to consider the compound. This is nothing but benzene. Benzene connected to OH. At ortho place, I am going to write the group NO2, and at para place, I am going to write the group NO2. Again at ortho place, I am going to write the group is NO2. Functional group side positions are ortho, and next positions are meta. I am not writing anything upon meta, and opposite place is nothing but para. Okay now, right. So ortho positions and para positions, all 3 positions, they are occupied by NO2 group. Nitro, nitro, nitro. Okay now, right. So how many nitro groups are there? 3. So 3 nitro phenol. Yes or no beta? But try to remember, okay now this compound, it has a common name, a special name, a very important name. So the common name of this compound is called picric acid. Be careful Nana, very important. Picric acid. Right, what is the IUPAC name of picric acid? So this is phenol, benzene bonded to OH, number 1 carbon. And this is 2 carbon, and this is 3 carbon, and here पर 4th carbon, and this is 5th carbon, and this is 6th carbon. 2 position side chain, 4 position side chain, 6 position side chain. IUPAC name is 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Nitro, dinitro, trinitro. So 2, 4, 6. Trinitro. Remaining is nothing but benzene bonded to OH. The remaining is nothing but what beta? Phenol. So what is the IUPAC name of picric acid? Repeated question. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Trinitrophenol. It is nothing but IUPAC name, and common name is nothing but what beta? Picric acid. This is the complete story about the nomenclature of phenols, dihydric, trihydric, everything including special picric acid, salicylic acid, salicylaldehyde. सारे compound include कर दिए बेटा. I hope you understand. Once again make practice. Okay na? And next class we are going to be discuss about the structure of phenol and isomerism and preparations. I am going to be start. Okay beta? Right.